There are certain exemptions when we change certain words from the singular to plural. So if I say one woman, the A between the M and the N becomes E. Many women. So we say women. W-O-M-E-N. One woman, many women. The next word is one child, many children. So I add R-E-N, children. So I had R-E-N to make it plural. And there is no word as children's. We only have children. We don't add an S to make it plural. So child, children. The next word is goose becomes many geese. One goose, many geese. And as we've already seen, one man, many men. So the A becomes E. So these are all certain exemptions when we change from the singular to plural. Example, one woman, many women. The A becomes E. One child, many children. And we don't add an S behind the children. One goose, many geese. The O becomes EE. One man, many men. Now moving on to some more examples is wherein the singular and the plural remain the same. For example, deer. One deer, many deer. We never add another alphabet. So many deer. So singular and plural remain the same. One sheep, many sheep. There is no addition of another alphabet. One deer, many deer. One sheep, many sheep. News. I read the news. I listened to the news on the television. Everything becomes the same. So the word does not change. I used a dice to play. They used many dice. We don't change it. Dozen. One dozen, 2 dozen. It does not change. So these are some examples wherein the singular and the plural remain the same. Deer, deer. Sheep, sheep. News, news. Dice, dice. Dozen, dozen. So these are examples of certain words wherein the singular and the plural are the same. So let us move on to our next topic.